Welcome and thank you for choosing to volunteer with the 9Health fairs at the Form Check Station. To start the Form Check review, greet and request to review the form with the participant. Make sure all information is legible and readable. Check that all highlighted yellow fields have been completed. Ask participant to complete any blank required fields. Confirm the numbers of hours fasting verbally. This is very important if blood is to be drawn. Verify the birth date. It is not today's date. Confirm the name, address, and phone number or numbers. For the address, if there is an apartment number, make sure that it is completed, and if it is a rural area, make sure that the P.O. box versus the physical address is filled in. All forms must include an address and phone number if in the event they need to be contacted for any medical notification. If the Social Security is not completed, explain why it should be completed. It is used by the lab to track the participant from year to year so they can provide multiple year reports. These are reports provided by a side-by-side display of the participant's results for the current year and the previous 2 years, provided all the identification information, Social Security, date of birth, and name are provided each of these years. If entering the Social Security number, it must be completed, not just the last 4 digits. All information is kept confidential. Confirm tests ordered, marked with an X in the left column of the cashier box with participant. If tests are not marked, ask the participant to do this. If participant has questions regarding tests, refer the patient to a medical volunteer and registration area for more information. If the participant has not answered demographic questions, ask if they would mind providing that information so that 9Health Fair can better know its participants so as to serve them better. Ensure that the consent and release statement has been signed, and sign as a witness. All participants on Medicare are required to read and sign the Medicare form. It states that they are choosing to pay for the convenience of having these tests done and will not ask for reimbursement. They can get a free test from their doctor's office. Direct the patient to the cashier area. For the participant that is not having blood work done, this will give them the opportunity to make a donation. The cashier will collect the white and green copies of the form from the no blood participants. Thank them for participating in the 9Health Fair. Thank you so much for your participation and support of the 9Health Fairs.